good afternoon guys. So rest day natin ngayon, kaya palit tayo ng gulong. So yon, syempre ang kasama natin, walang kamatay, ang palagi kong kasama, no? Si Chef.
Ang pinagseselosan ng kasama.
Baka sabihin ng asawa ko, magsama na kami nito. Parati kami magkasama nito eh. Minsan nagkakataon lang na magkasama kami. Minsan talagang sineset namin. No? Kami palagi magkasama. Di ko rin alam kung bakit eh. So yun guys, bye. Yun na nga guys, ulit. Yun, so yun na nga guys. Andito na tayo sa Muson. So papagawa natin yung ating papalit tayo ng ating gulong. Andito tayo sa Dapadak.
All around the world. Yeah. Come on. Attention, this my boarding call. Bags up there against the wall. Step on a flight, be there by the night. Get ready, cause man, we taking off. No doubt this world is mine. Find myself when I lose track of time. No, I'm not new with that. Got my crew in the back, I feel alright.
So, andito tayo sa Dapadak. So, papalit tayo ng gulong. Kasi ayan, ito yung motor natin. Ayan. Kasi ang ating gulong ay pudpud na. So, then ang tinatakbo kasi nito, stock pa rin yung gulong na gamit ko eh. Ayan. So, 20,900 na tayo. 20,899 kilometers. So, tingnan nyo naman ang gulong natin. Pudpud na. No? So, kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung gawaan nila. Ayan. So, dito at doon. So, maluwag yung space nila. So, dito tayo magpapagawa. So, update na lang ako mamaya guys. Bye! So, yun guys. So, ang napili nating gulong ay ito. No? 160/60 and 110/80. Ayan. Then, ang stock natin is 110/60 and 150/60. So, medyo upgrade lang tayo ng laki. No, ayan. Kita nyo naman yung detalye niya, no? Ganda ng detalye, di ba? Ano? So, yon, bagay na bagay sa aking motor. So, ito nga pala, sticker natin, sticker by Yams. Then, syempre, Axor Philippines. So, quality sticker. Yams 88 tayo. Quality pero affordable. No? So, yun guys. Nice. So, habang nag-aantay kayo ng pinapagawa nyo, pwede kayo umakyat dito sa taas.
Attention, this my boarding call. Bags up there against the wall. Step on a flight, be there by the night. Get ready, cause man, we taking off. No doubt this world is mine. Find myself when I lose track of time. No, I'm not new with
So dito, pwede kayong umupo dito, tumambay. Pwede rin kayong mag-order sa cafe. Para habang nag-aantay kayo, nakaka-relax pa kayo. Meron rin tayong mga gulong dito. Meron din silang display ng mga mags. Marami kayong pwedeng paggawin dito. Meron rin dito mga games, mga board games, mga pwede nyo pagkalibangan habang nag-aantay kayo. So, ito yung cafe nila. Kapag nag-post naman kayo, tinag nyo sila, piniprint nila yan at nilalagay nila dito sa wall nila. Ito pala yung mga available na games natin para malibang naman tayo habang nag-aantay. At ito na nga, ipapasok na nila ang motor ko para palitan na ng gulong. Inabutan na tayo ng dilim kasi marami silang ginagawa kanina. Nakapila pa yung motor natin.
We don't care, 'cause love will lead the way. That's right. Tonight we'll set expire. International down to the wire. All this love got me on fire. Living my dreams past my desire. Let's go. All around the world. Yeah.
Pero saan yan?
This my boarding code.
Balance po, boss.
Against the wall.
Ay, babalance. Para kahit tumakbo ng 100 plus yung motor,
Find
table.
myself when I lose track of time. No, I'm not new with that. Got my crew in the back. I feel alright.
Take me to my city. Look at the weather, it's so pretty. No need to be quiet, I'm making this live, so won't you rock with me? Just step up to the London town. Look at me now, I shut it down. Gonna make this world my own, won't stop next up. This party don't go. 1,000 miles away. We don't care what the people say.
We don't care.
'Cause love will lead the way.
Let it out, let it out.
Tonight we'll celebrate.
Come on, let's go. Move, move, step in the scene. Life is a journey and this is my dream. Doing it for UK, LA, Miami, straight to the Philippines. Every city is a dance floor. Traveling the world like we on tour. That's right, I do it for Be More. My hometown, it's all yours.
We're 1,000 miles away. We don't care what the people say.
We don't care.
'Cause love will lead the way.
That's right.
Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate.
So yun, after na nga nilang palitan yung gulong, testingin naman natin syempre. Para malaman natin kung okay ba.
Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate.
Let's go. Hope my passport doesn't expire. International down to the wire. All this love got me on fire.
Guys,
Living my dreams.
tapos na kami magpakabit ng gulong. So, ito. Yung gulong natin, no? Aspira. Yung gulong natin, Aspira na 160 60 at 110 set 80. Yan. Tumasting na yung motor natin. So naging adventure type na talaga siya. Happy Kid, syempre Happy Kid. Tapos na tayo magbayad. So pauwi na tayo. So ingat na lang sa lahat. Ingat rin kami. Bye guys.